What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I'd like to request every single person viewing, watching, whatever you want to call it, to please like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. I do really appreciate all the return viewers, subscribers, everyone that comments. I see everyone. I make sure I notice everyone. I appreciate all the support, my people. We're around 3,100 and something subscribers, so let's get that up more. I've also started a Discord community. Shout out the 2 people that I got in there, my bros. Shout out you lot. We won't be as lonely as we are for long. But yeah, that's enough of me waffling. Let's get straight into this one. So it's a Tech Fleece tracksuit in the khaki green. It's known as rough green. Slightly different or very different, whatever you want to call it, to the other kind of khaki. So this is a more greener khaki, like the other one's kind of lighter. I don't have it to hand, unfortunately, to review or to compare. But I prefer this color more because it's darker. It's a better khaki color. Let's just get into what they look like. I need to pull it all the time. I need to pull it so it comes off nicely. Yes. We got that khaki green, man. I love this green color, man. I love this green color. All of my friends who know me, so any of my friends who are watching this video, know how much I loved wearing this color tracksuits. I had the modern, Nike modern, that's what it's called, and a bunch of different ones that were like this colorway. I just love this color. I don't know why. I think it's really nice. It's not too much. It's good. It looks nice. So standard printed / sticker Nike logo. Then we've got the good old cuffs, the good cuffs on the bottom. The label does state that they're slim fit, taper leg, regular length. These, if you wear them, as you can see, I've got 2X on these. I'm normally XL. Reason I went for 2X because I want these to fit more baggier than the normal XL, because I think the XL is quite tight on the legs, and especially if you're like me and you actually train your legs, it's a bit too tight. And I think, my age and all that stuff, I'm gonna start going up a size so the joggers are more baggy. So the Joggers definitely more baggy. Hoodie still true to size, so it fits nice. But the Joggers I want a size bigger. As you can see, it's got a sale and £60 tag, so they were cheaper than the normal retail. $84.99. That does look like a old sticker because they're like $89.99 now. The 60, yeah, the 60 is decent. It's kind of worth it compared to the retail. It's still a bit expensive, but that's kind of a normal Joggers price these days. So a non-tech jogger. We've got that pocket, that all important pocket. Very big pocket, so you can stick a few things in there. I would prefer if it was on the other side as well, but Nike chose to do just one side. Fair enough. But it can get kind of annoying if you put more than one thing in there. So if you got like 3 or 4 things, it can get kind of annoying. Well, yeah, so it's like a taped pocket, just so everyone can see. Taped does mean like no stitch, so you can't see any visible stitching on the pocket, apart from this just little tab at the bottom. But as in the actual stitching for the pocket, you can't see nothing. The labels, again, as I've mentioned every single time, I always see this on all the Tech Fleece stuff. So we got a normal white label just for the sizing and stuff. Yeah, sizing information, whatever. And then we always have another label. I haven't seen it on other stuff, but Tech Fleeces for some reason have this. It says warning, no protective function, not personal protective equipment. Again, I've been trying to find out why they have that there. I don't know why. I can't find out why. I need to find out why, just so the curiosity stops. I couldn't even say that word properly. The curiosity stops. But that's the joggers. And then we've got the hoodie. And the hoodie retail bag says 104.99, size large. I believe that's a slightly older sticker, as they are 110 now. 109.99. I'm gonna try to pull off the bag and make sure the hoodie don't fly. That was an epic fail. Here we go. I can see little marks and stuff, which I'm not really happy with. I think it's more so when it's been like ironed or whatever. I'm not sure if they ironed it or not, but you know, that's quite annoying. I'm not really happy with that. It's what happens sometimes. You know, cuffs, we've got the normal like ribbon cuff from Nike. We don't have the cuff that's like the jogger cuff, so yes, they are different. Same with the waistband. It's not really a waistband, it's a waist ribbon, so we've got that ribbon all around. And then we've got pockets, obviously 2 pockets. They are split pockets because it's zipped. We've got that kind of windbreaker information, that's what we're going to call it. You can actually see a stitch in there, low-key high-key, and it's got the tape on top. Then we've got on every Tech Fleece that kind of sticker. If it was embroidered I wouldn't mind, but we got the sticker. We also got this little thing that's on every single zip, just the same, and it's the same as, you know, the joggers, and the same as that. It's always the same, even on the pocket. I love this pocket. I've said it 100 times. Every time I've reviewed a hoodie with this pocket, I've said it. I love the pocket. You know, it just bangs a bit more. It just looks nicer. It just stands out a bit. It's better than just a plain old hoodie. Even though I'll never use it, looks good. Gives it a bit more wow. Not that it makes it amazing or wow or anything, but it's just, it makes it nicer. And then yeah, split zip. I've never used split zip, I'm not gonna lie. Don't think I will. Have no plans to. Don't even know why they have it, to be honest. Then we've got that hood, so it's the different panels. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top, and it's kind of like a rounded thing. All the Tech Fleece hoodies have the same hood. 4 panels and stuff. It fits nice. It doesn't have any strings. I do remember previously, back in the day when they made Tech Fleeces, some of them had strings in the hoodie. Nowadays they don't do that. I don't mind the look, to be honest. I'm used to hoodies with no lace string anymore, because you know, I wear different ones, so certain have them, certain don't. I don't mind, man. We're branching onto new things. And so yeah, I love the khaki color. I usually wear these with like black trainers or white Air Forces. It always looks good. However, I have to say this time I did something a bit cheeky, but I really like the trainer, so I had to get them to match this tracksuit. So it's kind of like I wanted a full set. I don't know if it's doing too much. It can potentially be doing too much, but as I haven't taken the tracksuit out of the bag, I haven't been able to compare the shades or the colors. So it's the time to see if they match, and I'm praying that they match, because if not, one or the other has to go. It's probably going to be the tracksuit. Actually, no, I'll wear the tracksuit still, but I just won't be able to wear the trainers and the tracksuit together. Ooh, that's like, it matches, but it doesn't at the same time. But it does. Like, it's not the same shade exactly, or it kind of is. No, it's one shade off ish, but I think I'll have to wear it and see, you know, if it looks good together. Otherwise it'll just look a bit odd. But no, I think that will work, especially because of the black midsole. Obviously white tick and stuff, but that's just very minor details. But everything else, khaki and black, I think that can work, man. I think that can work. I just need to try it on and see what it's like. But yeah, people, let me know what you think. Tell me if you hate it. Tell me if you rate it. Join the Discord. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. If you stayed this long, big up to yourself. Big shout out to yourself. And yeah.